My name's Quinton, this is TradeLog, and today we're going to learn how to handle stock splits. Right away, you probably noticed that we have a negative share error. This is because we did not handle a stock split that happened on February 15th of this year. Let's click on Find so that we can see all of our ABCD trades. As we see here, there are 70 open records as of February 2nd. Then on the 28th, we closed 140 of them. This happened because when trades are imported into TradeLog, TradeLog receives the raw trading history. It sees that 70 were open and that 140 were closed. So how do we fix this? A great first place to go is our support center on TradeLogSoftware.com. In there, you can find a page called Corporate Action History for 2021. And that page will look like this. As we scroll down to February, we see that most all splits, ticker changes, spin-offs, and so on have been accounted for. And now that we are at February 15th, we see that there was a 2-for-1 split. Let's go back to TradeLog and handle this. What we now have to do is find and select the record showing the last trade made before the split. Here it is, our February 2nd trade. We will select that trade, then at the top, click Adjustments, and then Stock Split. The ticker is auto-filled. This is a 2-for-1 split, so we don't have to change that, and beneath that is the date. This we also don't have to change because the date you want here is the date of the last trade made before the split. Since all this information is good, we can click OK at the bottom. We will save our records, and now you can see that the trades we made pre-split have been changed and now match our closing record, thus getting rid of our negative share error. And that's how you handle a stock split in TradeLog.